Hello, I'm Rich Kolb of the Garage Guru Product Analysis Lab. Today I want to talk about three of the most common errors we see technicians make when removing and installing first generation or Gen 1 cartridge type wheel bearings. Let's start by talking about proper removal practices, which is essential to preserving the other components that are to be reused. A torch should never be used to remove any portion of the worn bearing, as this will damage either the knuckle or the spindle of the wheel flange assembly. The inner ring of this bearing was torched off, and this damaged the wheel flange spindle. If the wheel flange spindle is damaged, the inner ring of the bearing will have areas that are not fully supported, and when the rolling elements rotate over the areas of raceway that are not supported, spalling will develop on the raceway, and the customer will be back with a noise complaint. To remove an inner ring from the wheel flange spindle, it should be pulled off with a bearing separator. When pressing Gen 1 bearings back onto the wheel flange spindle, always press on the ID or inner rings of the bearing. If you press on the outer ring of the bearing when pressing the inner rings onto the spindle, the rolling elements will Brunel into the raceway, causing irreparable damage, and wheel end noise will result. Likewise, when pressing the OD or outer ring of the bearing into the knuckle, always press on the outer ring, never the inner ring. Finally, when installing a Gen 1 bearing, never press on the dust covers that protect the end seals. The dust covers and end seals are there for sealing only and cannot withstand this abuse. Pressing on the end seal area will crush it into the cage and rolling elements that are located inside the bearing, and noise will be immediate. Doing it right the first time will eliminate unnecessary and costly comebacks. I'm Rich Kolb of the Garage Guru Product Analysis Lab. For more installation tips, check us out on YouTube and Twitter and on fmgaragegurus.com. Thanks for listening.